Hey YouTube, this is Michael here. This is my first video, so here we go. Today I built this very small gumball machine. Yeah, nothing comes out. See, I'm shaking his arm. Got the difficulty. What up, guys? Sorry about that. Anyway, yeah, it's very compact. Nothing comes apart. See, I'm shaking it all around. And so basically, it's free. It doesn't take no money. All you do, take this key, and you're gonna back here. There's a little slot so you can't stick your finger in there. I think so. You have to use a special key, and we're gonna stick it in. And oh, by the way, this is. So I'm just gonna find something so I can show you. So. There we go. Right there. So, we're gonna stick the key in there. And there's your gumbo. And try it again. 2 round, next round, here it comes. There's your other gumbo. Yeah, so. And just to reload it, all you have to do is just not usually what you would do, but you gotta take off the top piece, and then you gotta take off this green, these two, and then this. Oh, gosh, I'm so sorry. This is so compact. That's how good it is. So. Yeah, so that's what it looks like when you have to unload it. See? I got one gumball. Drop it. That's inside of it.